This is Samsung Galaxy F14, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can enable and use the Pro mode in the camera of this device. So to start, we will obviously need to launch the camera app, then open the More section of mods, and just tap at the Pro icon over here. And while inside the Pro mode, you can manually set and change and adjust the values for ISO, shutter speed, exposure, focus distance, and the white balance. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.